Good morning, students. How are you all? Last week we did crayon shading. Remember? Did you practice that shading in your books? Great. Today we are going to do something different. We are going to use sketch colors today, and we'll give a simple and light stroke so that it doesn't come out patchy. So, shall we start with the color? Come on. Okay, students. This is your art book, and the page number is 10. This is Alikhan design. For this, you can see there are 3 colors. First of all, what you're going to do is you have to just give the outlining with black color, because if you will color first, then the linings will be not visible. Lines will not be visible, so it will be difficult for you to draw them again. So like this, I have done it for you. You have to give this black color outlining. Do it very slowly so that you are not going to spoil it. See, like this, slowly you are going to give the outlining. You have to just give a dark color to the picture like this. Okay, you have to use the black color for this. You can use any sketch pen. Must make sure that color should be fresh, color should be there, so that they are not giving the patchy color to your picture. I'll do this one for you so that you can do, because it is very easy for you to do, but I just want you to see how can we give a smooth look with crayons. Else it is very easy to make it by yourself, because you have to just give an outlining and to fill the colors with your sketch pens. You can do this with crayons as well, but in last class we already did with crayons. So for a change, we can do this with sketch pen. See, now you can see here, this all is of green color and this flower is with red color. So we are going to use this green color. You have to fill this. See how I am doing. I'm just giving a light strokes. I'm not rubbing it. If you are going to rub it, then the patches will come. Give a light stroke like this. See, don't do like this. ऐसे नहीं करना. Just give a light stroke so that even color should come. You can use watercolors also in coming classes. I will let you know how to use watercolors also, and it is very easy, beta. If you will try it once, now it will come out very easy for you. Watercolor is much easier than crayons and these sketch pens, because with brush it is very easy. You just feel that you are playing with colors. Here you are doing with sketch pen. It is very easy. It is a little bit difficult because it is not a challenge for you. Watercolor gives a different look to your picture. Somehow some children find that watercolor is easy, some can find that crayons are easy. Depends how you are using the colors. And you can see there is some yellow and greenish shade in the upper part of the picture. For that I just told you in this your crayon shading. You can do the same here also. Here we have colored. Here you can use a little bit of yellow color. See, like this you can give a yellow or a green, light green color you can also use here. Fine. See, now we can use this green color. Just see how I am doing, beta, because I am not zigzag I'm not doing. I'm just giving a single strokes so that colors comes out. Smooth shade should be there, smooth color should be there. See, like this. And in the beginning only you should do the black outlining. If you are going to do it after this completing the colors, you will not be able to see the outlinings. Here you can see there is a lighter shade in between, like this. Here also you can see this is yellow color, so we'll give a yellow tinge here. You can use yellow color, or you can use a light green color. I'm not having light green color right now. One second, I'm having light green color. It is here. We can give this light green color as well, like this. See, light green color and yellow color. It is difficult to give. I think crayons gives a nice look if we use this shading technique in crayons. It is a little bit difficult because crayons gives a mark that cannot be merged afterwards, so you have to be very particular. See, like this you will give the darker shade here. Here I have done in a simple way. Here I am showing you how to give a light shade with crayons, with sketch pens. Okay. Here also we can give a yellow and tinge color, yellow like this, and green color in the beginning. I'm again telling you, don't do like this. This is not the way to give the color. Always gives a stroke like this. See, light we're giving, and see, if you are going to do like this, it will come like this. It will patchy. It will come out patchy. In between we'll give light green color, because you can see it's a light color here. You can give a light green color here. Here also we can give a light green color. Now you can see the difference in this and this. There is little bit of shade here, and this is purely green in color. And at the last, when you finish this coloring, and if you want to give the shade, wherever you can, if you see that there is a white patch left or color is left, you can use lighter shade to fill that color. It will give a shade to your picture. See, like this. Here also light green color is in outer part. You can give light green color, and inside you can give dark green color, so that different shades can be seen. This we are going to leave because white color is already there. Okay, this is done. So now I'll just tell you how to color this red flower. For that you have to use pink color and red color. Two colors we're going to use. As I told you before, always use a light color. Initially we will use a light color, so that if you want a shade, we can use dark colors at the last, not at the last, in middle, and at the last again we'll use a light color to merge. But in crayons it is not possible, kids, because crayons gives a stroke and it dries. So see, in between I've given some lines to give the shade. Now we'll use this red color. Oh sorry, I just forgot to give the outlining, because it's light. I can give the outlining right now also. While giving outline, you should be very, very careful, so that you're not going to spoil this picture. See, I've given the outlining, this. Now we'll fill this with red color. Here we're going to give a little stroke, so that it will look like a shade only. Children, if you want, you can give a simple red color also. But if you want to give a little bit of shade, because this needs a practice. If you have practice, then only you're able to give the shades. Otherwise sketch pen shading is really a little bit difficult and different from watercolor and crayons. So, and again at the last I'll take the pink color to merge these. I hope you got it, how to do crayons and sketch pens. Now this area is left. Here what we're going to do is, remember, we'll use a yellow color, or you can use green color also. Yellow color. Now I'll take green color. One thing is left in this. Can you make out what I forgot to do in this? We forgot to give a outline. Now outline should be given in the, because it is very easy and it is visible. Here if I just plan and I'll do afterwards, it will be difficult because after coloring these lines will not be visible for you. It will get hide with this color, under this color. See. And now if you want to give a defined look to your picture, you can again use this black color to cover up and give a nice look to your picture. See, like this. Then you can also do, again you can also do, because maybe this black color get merged, little bit of merging will be there if you're using two colors on this. So you have used the light green color, yellow color we have used already here. So you can give this color, this outlining again, and it will give a nice look and clarity to your picture. I hope all of you got it, how to do. See, this is the way. I hope it is clear with you. Here I've used a little bit of shades, and here is plain green color. So this is your art book. This is page number 10, students. And with this you have to do one more thing. This is page number 41. This is a mehendi design. You know, Tej, it was there. So it's a Tej Mausam, it's a Sawan Mausam. So all the girls know we just put mehendi in our palms. So what you're going to do is you're going to make this design. You have to look this picture and make this design here. Okay. So I'll just show you how to make. You will use black color, or you can use red color also, because mehendi comes out red after it is dried up. You can give it red. You can use red color, you know. Boys, you also have to make it. Don't think only girls have to make. Okay. Boys and girls, both boys and girls are going to make this. You can use sketch pens here also. And here also, see, you can make any design, not necessary that you have to make only this design here. You can make any design. You can watch it from any YouTube channel, or you can from your own mind you can make this picture, any design in this. I am copying this. You can use any design. And here also you can give any other, just I'll give some other design. I'm giving some different design, you can see. Not necessary that what design is there, you can only make that. You can make any design of your own choice. I've given a different design here, see. Here also you can make some different design, like use red color or pink color, because mehendi used to come in red in color after it is dried up. So you can any color, any design you can use here. So you can just fill this hand like this. You can use any design of your own choice. Is that clear, kids? So I'm again telling you, this is page number 41. This is Mehendi design here. You have to design, you have to do that Alekan color and this Mehendi design. This is the work for this week. Okay students, all the best. Practice this. Bye bye.